with the polka dot gown. Baa Baa pink sheep dancing in the sun. Yes sir, let's have some fun. One for the princess with sparkly shoes, one for the robot who loves to snooze. Baa Baa blue sheep flying through the sky. Yes sir, I'm zooming by. One for the pirate with the feathered hat, one for the mouse who rides a cat. Baa Baa white sheep snowy like a cloud. Yes sir, I sing out loud. One for the snowman with carrot nose, one for the puppy in winter clothes. Baa Baa rainbow sheep, colors in a row. Yes sir, off we go. Sharing is caring, wool for all. Big sheep, little sheep, short and tall. Welcome to Dragon Kids. Baa Baa Black Sheep, where are you? Hiding in the meadow with wool so new. One for the baker, one for the king, one for the little bird who loves to sing. Baa Baa Black Sheep, where are you? Playing with the flowers under sky so blue. Baa Baa blue sheep, where are you? Dancing in the rain with drops so few. One for the farmer, one for the clown, one for the puppy running around town. Baa Baa blue sheep, where are you? Jumping through puddles in shiny shoes too. Baa Baa pink sheep, where are you? Smiling with the sun in fields that grew. One for the painter, one for the cat, one for the bunny with a fluffy hat. Baa Baa pink sheep, where are you? Chasing bright butterflies, how about you? Baa Baa white sheep, where are you? Resting by the tree with a woolly view. One for the teacher, one for the bear, one for the child with ribbons in her hair. Baa Baa white sheep, where are you? Dreaming of rainbows and skies so blue. Welcome to Dragon Kids. The sun is shining, the sky is bright. Down on the farm, oh what a sight! Oh wait, oh no, what's this I see? The baby animals are running free. Moo, baa, oink and quack. The baby farm animals won't come back. They run, they jump, they hide, they play. It's a wild and silly farm escape. The piglets roll in mud so deep. The little lambs take giant leaps. The ducklings waddle, splash and slide. The calves run fast, oh what a ride! Moo, baa, oink and quack. The baby farm animals won't come back. They run, they jump, they hide, they play. It's a wild and silly farm escape. The piglets roll in mud so deep. The little lambs take giant leaps. The ducklings waddle, splash and slide. The calves run fast, oh what a ride! Moo, baa, oink and quack. The baby farm animals loud. Just grab some snacks to calm the crowd. The babies love to play and run, but home is best when the day is done.